We use the latest technology, and I want to state that we are always at the cutting edge of technology, whether it's with SMILE laser vision correction, whether it's with the latest intraocular lenses. But the technology is only one part of the story, right? That it's important, but the most important thing is to match the technology that we have available with the individual patient's needs and executing that surgical journey perfectly to get the best possible results for the patient. I'd like to think that the patient journey at Optegra is unique in that everyone cares about how the patient will do afterwards. And if that is everyone's aim, that shines through in how the patient is treated from the start, when they first contact us, to the time that we discharge them. If we're all aiming to make sure that they get the best possible result in the most, I would like to say, enjoyable way possible, that is what we strive for.